Introducing the Stockholm, a shining gem from our rectangular pool-shaped family. This ultra-modern pool design not only boasts a chic corner entry step but also features a convenient corner swim-out seat. Perfect for families with multiple swimmers, the Stockholm is designed to offer ample room for floating, playing, and soaking up those summer rays. If you're a recreational swimmer looking for a pool that's just the right size, then Stockholm is your match. It's not just about the swim, it's also excellent for entertaining small to medium-sized groups. Picture this: evening swims under vibrant LED lights, or a friendly game of pool basketball or volleyball with friends and family. The best part? The Stockholm is a blend of modern style with a touch of tradition. It's not just a design, it's an experience, a beloved and trusted member of the San Juan Pools family for numerous years. Ready to make a splash this summer? Contact us to get in touch with one of our dealers. We'd love to give you a free estimate today. San Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.